Well, here we are, day 12. We are right back up on the top of Breeden Hill. We're back just into the last bit of winter barley that we have. This is more of the craft barley. So far the signs have been good on the quality front in terms of germination. Tests are coming back 99%. Nitrogen's about 1.5, 1.6, so that's very good. And moisture's around the sort of 14 to 15%. So again, we're quite sort of happy with that, really. Yeah, it's a little field called Sheep Pens. It's one of my favourite fields, actually, for some reason. It's only 5 hectares, but it's a nice, fairly consistent field up here. Just wanted to have just a quick look, which is difficult to get too close to it, but the seed control unit on the back of the combine, the Redekop MAB unit, and the chopper. Chopper's doing a really, really great job in terms of sort of straw length, spread. Really, really happy with how that actual chopping process is going. And then there's the seed control unit, so all the debris that's coming off the sieves that's not being captured in the clean grain system is being processed through 2 mills which are sitting on the back of the combine. It comes off the sieve, drops into the mills. They're spinning at over 2,500 revs per minute. The idea is to crack the seeds to stop them germinating when they go back. So we're looking at this in combination with Boffins, which is the British On-Farm Innovation Network, Redekop and NIAB, who have been out to do some seed head counts before harvest, where we're going to be able to run the seed control unit engaged or disengaged, and then we will be able to hopefully have a look at the percentage control of different weed species across 4 fields on the hill. So that could be in spring barley. We'll do a bit of filming when we get to that point, but yeah, good to be going again. Did a few beans this morning, and then back into this bit of barley on the hill this evening. Don't think we'll quite get it all finished,